welcome back to my channel. It's me, I'm back, Meiji. For today's video, guys, there is one our viewers they are requesting. This is that salsa. Thank you so much for your requesting that Ramadan Mahir Sain cover by Bani Bayola. Actually, I comment already last is long time ago to Bani Bayola. He's a good singer too. He's a good artist also. He have a lot of song also. Guys, this is the channel of Bani Bayola. There is 2.16 million subscriber. And then this music Ramadan is 10 days ago. There is 90K viewers. Guys, we will watch this one is Ramadan because it's coming Eid this time, inshallah, tomorrow or today, inshallah, because I'm here in Europe, maybe tomorrow or today, inshallah, but I follow in the Middle East. Inshallah, inshallah, I'm so happy. Everyone bless. Advance to everyone. Guys, I will listening this one. I know this music as I hear already before, and even every day I hear that one, but it's so good this one. Guys, stay tuned and we will listening. I cannot make a lot of comment because this one is our music about of Ramadan. All right, stay tuned, guys, and keep on watching. Thank you so much to you, Bani Bayola. This is channel of her. Thank you so much to you, Bani Bayola. I know that you always good singing all the time. You know that I feel that to Ramadan, that I feel someone, that I miss someone if I hear that one because I'm alone all the time. Nobody with me. And then if Ramadan, I'm always alone. If I eating after, I'm always alone. But Allah is always with me. That's why. I'm so sad. I'm so emotional right now. Because this time only, this year, I'm alone to be Ramadan. If I eating after, I'm alone. And then, you know, inshallah soon. I'm so sorry guys for that interrupt that. But this is my feeling. That's why I'm listening that music. But inshallah today advance to everyone. It's a big Eid that I hope everybody is more blessing and happy to your family. And guys, we will, by the way, finish. We will give I don't know, I'm so emotional. We will give to Bani Bayola that rank for her. Dan 10. Of course, 10. She's also a good singer and good artist. I know that because this is not first time that I reaction to her. I have a lot also reaction for her before. But right now there is 1 hour viewers there. They want to uh, to to react this one. I hope everyone that they are requesting right now because there is a lot of requesting. I hope that I can give to everyone. But one by one. Alright guys, but if you are new to my channel guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below guys. Thank you so much and see you in next reaction for Bunny. Just comment below guys if you are new to my channel guys. Don't be shy. I'm yours sister that I can do everything as I can if I can react. Alright guys. Thank you, bye and masalama advance to everyone.